So, I just wanna let you guys know. I'm so sad. I don't know what to do anymore with my life. I mean, I'm tired of being sad all the time, but I can't do anything about it. It's like every time I try to do something, I always feel like, what's the point? You're gonna feel happy for a while, like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. But then you're gonna end up feeling sad again. So what's the point of putting an effort into it? Parang ganun yung nasa isip ko. So, sa ngayon, parang ang ano ko na lang is, wala na lang akong ginagawa. I have a lot of books. And, nagkaroon din ng time na sunod-sunod akong nagbasa ng books. Parang tinapos ko agad to. Tapos, the next book na naman, ganyan. Parang, kumbaga sa nag-panic buying ako ng mga libro. Tapos ngayon, hindi ko na sila nahawakan. Tapos, ang dami kong, ano, nasa watchlist, na wala akong napanood ni isa. Puro, even sa series, wala. Tapos, gusto kong magsulat, hindi rin ako nakapagsulat kasi ang ano ko is kapag nagsusulat ako, it's either I'm super happy or I'm super sad. Hindi naman ako super sad at this point, pero at the same time, hindi rin naman ako super happy. So parang walang point kung magsusulat ako. Parang ganun. So sa mga series, hindi na rin ako nakakapanood. Ang pinapanood ko is pure rewatch. So ang rotation lang niya is Modern Family, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Friends, The Office, Abbott Elementary. Doon lang umiikot yung panonood ko. Kasi ayun yung kahit yung nagpa-play sila sa background, para lang hindi total silence yung paligid ko. Magpe-play ako ng either of those series. So kanina, ang nangyari, kasi today's, ano ba ngayon? July 21, today's Tuesday. Di ko alam anong meron kahapon. Ano bang meron? Tuesday ba ngayon? Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung Tuesday ba ngayon. Pero July 21 kasi nakalagay sa laptop. Ito. So, I'm not sure. Anyway, kung Tuesday ngayon, oh my God. Wala akong idea anong nangyari yesterday. Holy shit. Anyway, wala akong matandaan. Kasi nga, wala akong ginawa. I didn't do anything productive or memorable. Anyway, ayun nga. So, today, paano ba? Pag nga gabi, parang tuwing gabi nga, ayun, alala ko lang kagabi. Kasi na-feel ko na naman siya at mafe-feel ko na naman to for sure later tonight. Kagabi, bago ako mag-sleep, nung alam kong mga around 8 p.m. na, sabi ko, shucks, gabi na naman. Tapos bukas another day. Ganyan. Parang, I feel uncomfortable to go to sleep. Kasi, alam ko, magkikinabukasan na naman. Parang ganun yung pakiramdam ko. Tapos, buti na lang, I have meds that helps me fall asleep. Kasi, if I don't have any of those meds, malamang I'd be up all night. So, kanina, pagising ko, sabi ko, shucks, ito na naman. So, I don't have plans on going anywhere. I don't even have plans on standing up. Parang tumayo lang ako kasi tinignan ko kung maayos ba yung kusina, ganyan. Kasi I can't sleep. No way. If I know na makalat, parang ganun. So, tinapos ko lahat ng gawaing bahay. Lahat na pwede kong gawin. And then, I went back dito sa kwarto. Tapos, nahiga lang ako. Like, I don't want to do anything. Wala akong planong gawin. Parang at the back of my mind, I'm like, shucks, wala na naman akong gagawin. Di na naman ako productive. Pero, I physically don't have the energy to like get up and and actually do something. Naiisip ko lang the things that I want to do. Pero, I feel like kasi merong part sa isip ko na, naging productive naman ako nung nakaraan. Parang, it's okay to give myself some time to just slack around. Parang ganon. Tapos, pagdating ng tatay, kasi umuwi siya kapag tanghali. So, pagdating niya, sabi niya, hindi daw ba ako aalis? So, I was like, saan ako pupunta? Pero, kasi ilang beses niya yung tinanong. Kasi ilang beses siya pauwi-uwi. Kumukha siyang gamit. At nakikita niya akong nakahiga lang sa kama. So, paulit-ulit, sa kada uwi niya, tatanungin niya ako, hindi ka ba aalis? Wala ka bang lakad? Kasi, ewan ko, kasi sabi niya, mas madali daw akong mababagot kapag nandito lang ako sa bahay. So, I was like, sige, alis ako. Ganyan. So, nung umalis siya, inisip ko na, saan ako pupunta? Diyos ko, sinabi ko pa, alis ako, saan ako pupunta? Hanggang sa, pumunta ako sa Coffee Bean, dito malapit sa SM sa amin. Tapos, umuwi rin ako after 2 hours. I mean, umalis ako 1 o'clock. 1 p.m. ako umalis. Umuwi ako 4:20. Diba? Sabi ko na lang, umuulan na kasi. Kaya umuwi na ako. Pero, siguro, hindi rin kasi ako makatagal sa sarili kong company. So, if I'm not lying around, if I'm not lying in bed, I don't know what else to do. I mean, I used to be productive. Sobrang ayaw ko nung wala akong ginagawa. Pero right now, everything just seems so tiring. Na parang kapag ginawa ko siya, it will take up a lot of effort. And there's a part of me that cannot see the worth of that effort. Dahil nga, I always end up in the same place, so why bother? Parang ganon. Don't get me wrong, I like spending time with other people. If other people asks me out, like, kain lang sa labas or what, syempre, I will feel, lalabas na naman, ayoko nang umalis, ganyan. Pero, at the same time, I will feel so glad na, they asked me out, parang ganon. So, I will feel really good about it. Pero right now, I don't know what else to do. Siguro, as of this moment, magbe-bedrot lang ako. Naging productive naman ako. Ginawa ko lahat ng pwede kong gawin para ma-feel kong worth it ako. Parang, wow, worth it! Pero at the same time, talagang dadating lang tayo sa point ng buhay natin na, what the hell are we doing? Parang ganon. And it's okay to dwell on it for a while. Things will get better. I'm saying this to myself. Things will get better, hopefully. And maybe 5 months from now, a month from now, 1 year from now. Sana naman, pinakamatagal na yung 1 year from now, no? 1 year from now, things will be different. And you'll look back and say, oh my God! Okay lang na nagpahinga ka kasi you will be busy. Hindi ko alam. Oh my God. Ito yung kinakatakot ko, yung kapag nag-resign ako, wala na akong gagawin. Wala akong trabaho. Wala akong gagawin sa buhay ko. And it came true. And it's scarier than expected. Kasi, I don't know what to do about it. I'm praying for something to happen to me, anything na that will give me any type of emotion. Kasi sa ngayon, puro sadness lang talaga and depression lang ang nararamdaman ko sa buhay ko. So I'm just praying for something, anything. I don't even have a prospect. I mean, it's not like I want to date anyone right now kasi I'm not in the right mind. Pero, siguro naman masaya kung meron, no? Pero, since wala nga, I was like, wala akong pinagkakaabalahang anything. So I'm like, bro, I don't know. Wala akong crush. Do you guys even, diba? Wala akong crush. Well, wala naman kasi ako nakikilalang bago. Kasi nga, paano ako magkakaroon ng kakilalang bago? Lagi ako nasa bahay. Anyway, that's it. I think this video is more of a rant on how my life is going right now. But I'm really hoping, I have high hopes. A month from now, 5 months from now, a year from now, everything will be different for the best. For the best talaga, please. I really have high hopes for the future. Maybe right now, this is just a phase. Right now, it's just a phase. And my life will actually be different. Please. I want it to be different. I don't want to be sad anymore. Sabi nga nung sa isang kanta, I don't wanna be sad forever. I don't wanna be sad no more. I don't wanna wake up and wonder what the hell am I doing this for. I just want to be happy, dude. Like, really happy, genuine happiness. I'm wishing that for everyone. Please, please, please. Wait lang, i-delete ko lang to kasi baka malito ako. There you go. Anyway, I think that's it. So, basically, what happened in this video is that pinanood nyo lang akong mag-rant. Pinakinggan pala. Pwede naman ito pakinggan lang. Huwag nyo na panoorin kasi nothing's going on the screen. It's just my face. Anyway, babasahin ko to. I lost my faith in the world. Oh, secret. I'm not gonna show you pala. Anyway, ayun lang. Thank you so much. And if you reached this point, thank you. Hindi ko alam bakit kayo umabot dito. But thank you so much. Love you. Bye.